Yes, I know this product. Just looks as fascinating to me as it does to you. So let's make a recipe that is originated from south of India but has won hearts worldwide and currently is everyone's favorite. Let's make Medu Vada in this Philips Airfryer, but it's going to be much lighter because of its Turbo Star technology. Philips Airfryer cooks all the recipes with up to 90% less fat. I've soaked 2 cups of urad dal for about 5 to 6 hours and now I've rinsed it once and drained out all the water. Grind in small portions. So let's add some of it in the grinder. Grind it as finely as you can and we'll add just a little bit of water, so maybe about 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time. I'll just add in a tablespoon of water, not much. Just feel this between your fingers and make sure you cannot feel any kind of granules of the paste. This is fine. I'm going to remove it in a bowl. See how thick this paste is? So in this way, grind the entire quantity of the dal. So in the total quantity of 2 cups of dal, I've barely added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. So don't add too much. Keep it as thick as you can. And now we come to the most important part, that is whisking this batter. We need to use our hands to do so and you need to whisk it for at least a good 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure there is a gap between your fingers and then keep whisking this batter till it becomes light and fluffy. I've been whisking this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Into this, I'm going to add in the seasoning ingredients. But before that, I'm going to preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Time to add in all the seasoning ingredients. So first, I'm going to add in 1 onion finely chopped. Also 6 to 8 green chilies sliced. I've really thinly sliced these green chilies. 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped. Also 1 tablespoon of ginger finely chopped. And now all the dry ingredients. Half a teaspoon of black salt. Also white salt. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of rice flour. This helps in giving the vadas slight crispiness and also a pinch of soda bicarb. You need to remember that you need to make this batter just before you're ready to put it in the air fryer. And now let's mix this. The batter is ready and so is the air fryer. It's preheated. All I need to do is wash my hands now. Time to shape the vadas. I'm going to remove the basket of the air fryer. Be careful, it's hot. Wet your palms for making each vadas. Take a little bit of the batter. Make the hole and carefully place it in the air fryer tray. In the same way, let's make a few more. I'm going to brush these vadas with a little bit of oil. Now, time to place the tray in the Philips Airfryer. We need to cook these at 180 degrees for 15 minutes, and then you can remove them out and check if you feel the need to cook them for another 3 minutes, you could do so. You know what fascinates me even more about this Philips Airfryer is that most of us haven't seen smokeless frying of Medu Vadas. But with this product, we have that added advantage as well. 15 minutes are up. Let's get these out. They have a beautiful golden brown color and they're ready to relish. These vadas are super light and tastier. So these were Medu Vadas in the Philips Airfryer. And also, you can simply cook what you love in the Philips Airfryer. For more such recipes, stay tuned to Rajshri Food. Bye-bye.